All right, class, are you wondering what the state skills exam is like to get your certified nursing assistant license so you can get paid to take care of your child or loved one? Ready over there, Alyssa?
Yep, I'm ready.
All right, let's begin. The CNA skills exam includes 5 random skills out of the 22 that you were taught. You'll have 30 minutes to complete these 5 skills. Hand washing with soap and water is always the first skill. You'll need to perform some type of measurement skill like taking a radial pulse, respirations, electronic blood pressure, urinary output, or weight. Typically, there will be a transfer skill. You'll likely need to do some type of bed bath, such as a modified bed bath or catheter care. One of the other skills might include a range of motion exercise or using a bedpan. Yes, Alyssa.
Once I pass the skills exam and the written exam, how long do I need to wait until I get my license?
Excellent question, Alyssa. After passing both the written and skills exams, Credential will notify DORA, the Department of Regulatory Agencies, that you've passed, and DORA will issue your license within 10 days. You should receive an email when your license is issued, but you can also check the DORA website under Nursing to see if it has been issued. Now, who can tell me what we always say? Yes, Alyssa?
Voyager Home Healthcare will send you to their completely free school to get licensed as a CNA so you can start getting paid for the care you already provide. They're the highest paying, highest rated parent CNA agency in Colorado. They provide amazing care and customer service in Arizona, Colorado, and Florida. Reach out to Voyager Home Healthcare for more information at 719-400-2222.
Yes, all right, very good.
Oh wait, I have a question.
Yes, what is it, Alyssa?
What's a verb?
I don't even know how to say that. All right.